So I want to tell about a very simple thing is about a IT business and IT organizations, IT services. Okay, so that's the first. What is IT business? Okay, IT businesses done by IT organizations. IT business. What is happening? Yeah, missing. IT businesses, IT organizations. What they will do? They will provide a IT services. They will provide. They will provide a IT services. What is meant by IT services? I'm using currently Google Docs. Okay, I'm currently using Google Docs. This is Office 365, Microsoft 365 or Office 365. This is Excel, Word, PowerPoint. This is Google Chrome browser. This is an application from Microsoft Teams. Right? I'm using Windows 10 operating system. I'm using internet from ACT service provider. I'm using internet from ACT service provider. I'm using a laptop from Lenovo organization. My processor is Intel. Okay. So what I'm using a hardware. I'm using operating system. I'm using an applications. I'm using internet connectivities. Not only this, there's several kind of stuff are from IT organizations only. So those are all IT services. You go to the shopping mall. Okay, you go to shopping mall. Okay, so you purchase some items. So the billing desk will do billing, right? How they will do? They are not doing manually. Olden days we do manually. Now simply scan it. The price will pop up. They'll enter. So then prices will be entered into the system, and once finalized, pay the amount, print out the bill. Right? This is what happened. Okay, but shopping mall is a shopping that one like a D Mart, Walmart. Okay, what is that kind of stuff? Is grocery seller, right? Different kind of stuff like a clothes market is there. Like you go to D Mart, different kind of stuff they will sell, mainly groceries part. Okay. So there are non-IT organizations, but they need an IT services. They need a network connectivity. They need a computer. They need a application for billing related application. They need a server. They need a server. They need a data storage related. So they have to store the data about the item list, all information, right? So from where they will get it? From the IT organizations only. So IT service providers provide a service to IT organizations and non-IT organizations. IT organizations and non-IT organizations. So that's it. Yesterday I told one question, right? Why you want to come to IT field? IT services used by different organizations. Organizations can be IT organization or maybe non-IT organization or maybe a home user. Not only a organization type, it is also home users. A normal user, regular user also can use IT services. You are using a mobile phone. I am using laptop, mobile phone. Mobile application, I want to book a ticket, IRCTC website, I went to IRCT website. Who build IRCTC? It is built by TCS. They maintain IRCTC servers, TCS organization, right? TCS is a Tata Communication Service. It's an IT organization. TCS is a IT organization, but they are giving support to railway system. Okay, so that's the point. IT and non-IT. So, what are the different IT services from organizations? So they will build applications, right? We are using different type of applications, right? Build application, operating system. We are getting Windows operating system, Mac operating system, Linux operating system, Unix operating system, different type of operating systems, applications. Applications are a softwares, you can say. Okay. Hardware, Intel, Lenovo, all this building in a different type of hardware systems, right? Web applications, websites or web applications. We are getting web access. Nowadays, you are not required to go to fill any application form. Simply web applications. Earlier days, you have to go to any set exam like a gate examination or any PG set examination or even any entrance examinations, government examinations. You have to go and buy an application form first. Then you have to fill it properly. You have to take one Xerox copy first and fill it properly. Then you have to fill it and we have to post it. You have to go to post office, then put it in a post box, not post box. You have to go to register post. Then you have to attach an acknowledgement for that one. So once the organization received your application, they will send back that what is that one acknowledgement card to you. Once they are verify the details, okay, so they enter the details into their system and they make a one hall ticket. Again, they will post the hall ticket. If you are lucky, you will get the hall ticket. If you are more lucky, you won't get a hall ticket. So you need to write an exam also. Okay. And you have to go to the examination center. There is entire paperwork. Now where it is, I want to apply a passport. No need to go to passport office for applying. Just for application, I can go to simple passport website, enter my details, okay, submit. So take a receipt from it, pay the amount, you got a receipt. So go to the passport office on the particular date and give the receipt, and they will confirm you are there. So they will take your thumb impression, photographs, and they enter the details. And next is verification, and you will get a passport. When I'm taking passport, that time it is big rush. So compulsory need a one brokerage required. So outside consultant people is there. So they will fill the form and they will give some recommendation like 100 rupees recommendation. So you will can faster you can go inside. Otherwise it is very big line. Okay, now it is not like that. Simply second time I do passport time, so renewal time I went to the internet center, I completed it. Now I can do it in my own laptop also. That time also. Facilities are keep changing. Okay, so website, web applications. So you are booking tickets, a lot of information in a web application. IT services also do infrastructure management. So many are there. Some I am mentioning here. Infrastructure management. So infrastructure means So for organization, they will maintain servers, storage devices, networking devices, network related things like routers, switches, firewalls, security related management. Okay. Physical environment management, they do it. Cloud, the infrastructure is also cloud services. Okay. So infrastructure, direct data centers, infrastructure, data center management. Cloud services, different type of cloud services we are getting. Anybody having remember what are the cloud services? Infrastructure as a service. Next one.
Platform as a service.
Platform as a service. Very good.
Software as
Software
a
as a
service.
service.
Very good. These are the different cloud services. Of course, storage is a one of the service separate. Cloud is not storage. So there is a cloud storage. That's a different. Okay. And type of clouds. Types. Public cloud. You can tell us now, how long guys, I don't feel anything. Hybrid cloud, community cloud, like this. These are separated, it is types, that is services. IT support service. Separately, we can provide IT support services. Web applications, ERP, enterprise resource management services, CRM services, okay, customer relationship management services. Okay, CRM means Salesforce. Salesforce is a CRM. Dynamic CRM, Sugar CRM, Dynamic 365. These are all a CRM, customer relationship management. Okay, that is a one tool. ERP is like now SAP. SAP is a basically ERP tool, enterprise resource management. Okay, ERP type it is, enterprise resource kind of stuff. Another ERP is like Power BI, ODI, OBIE, Informatica. So different type of ERPs also there. So I'm not going much details. So, I know SAP is a standard example for ERP. So like this guys, different services are providing from IT services. Okay. Example one. So take 70s. Take our organization example. Go to the 70s website. That is another question, right? What do you know about a 70s? So go to the 70s website. This is a Hyderabad location address. See, first services. What services 70s providing? SAP consulting, SAP SA4 HANA, SAP customer experiences, media entertainment, customer products, SAP Analytics, SAP Analytics Cloud, Embedded Analytics, Data Warehousing, Cloud it is. Cloud and managed services, cloud software as infrastructure as service and hosting, SAP basis outsourcing, application support, SAP ALM. staffing solutions. So this is under staffing solutions. What type of industries it support? What type of organization it is providing a services? Consumer goods, technology, automotive industry, life science and pharmaceuticals, energy, oil and gas. Okay. So different clients are there. Okay. So since there are providing from 98, 70s. Okay. So there are successfully migrated from this. So ECC 6.0 to SA4 HANA in 2021. Okay. Other details you can go for. So go to main website. There you can find different clients. So who are the clients? Okay, and partners, type of services we are providing. Okay, okay, or you can go to HCL. So what is HCL organization providing? See the services. It's a lot of services, right? So application support maintenance, digital consulting, digital application platform, data and analytics, application modernization integration, software as a service, enterprise applications, hybrid cloud, cyber security, networks, okay, leading solutions, I don't know that one, supply chain management, finance and accounting, digital and content, cognitive automation, digital engineering on the cloud, language, so many cloud smart, product engineering, industry verticals. Air Force support is also there is some military appliances kind of stuff. Aerospace and defense, captive business services, healthcare. These are industry, life sciences industry, oil and gas industries. Okay, these different type of industries it will support. Public sector industries, telecom industries, capital market industries. That's different industry it will support. Okay. So guys, compulsory know about different organizations, about an organization. Okay, when it is founded, what is their stock price currently, or one more is there. That is revenue, last revenue. What is the revenue? And CEO, C. Vijay Kumar, since October 2016, is the CEO. Okay, is the CEO. Is currently is there. Don't say bus. Okay, is. So we can go to Tech Mahindra. Who is CEO? Anand Mahindra. Founder is Anand Mahindra. CEO also Anand Mahindra. Headquarters in Pune. Okay. So net income. Okay, stock price is good. Okay, and go to their website. So and find it what kind of services they are providing. SAP consulting, data analytics, consumer experience, testing services, infrastructure and cloud, network services, telecom product, okay, cyber security, artificial intelligence, Oracle, intelligence automations, what kind of industries they are supporting. Okay, so know about organizations, mainly our organizations. I didn't write anything here, so go to HCL Tech. What services they are providing? Go to Tech Mahindra. What services they are providing? Go to Cognizant. What services they are providing? So you will understand about an IT organizations, different services, different organization, different type of services, what they are providing. Guys, understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, so different organizations. providing different type of services. Not one organization providing all services, right? Different organizations provide different services to both IT organizations and non-IT organizations. 1 second, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Are you able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Different roles are in the organization, guys. Different type of managements are there. Different type of roles are there. For example, you have taken a application development. So take one example, application development. Right? There is a client. Client needed some requirement. Okay, so different roles. Okay, client needed some requirement. So there is a business unit person will go to the client or client approach to the business unit person. Anything you can take it. So what is the client requirement? He needs some application for his organization purpose. Okay, we'll collect that information. Yes, this is your client requirement, and this is given to a team members, right? So these people will analyze what is the client requirement. Yeah, I am telling SDLC process only. Don't worry. Okay. So if they will analyze and how to make this part, how many people are required, what are the resources are required, so they will decide on it. So first person is anyway developer. He will code the required based on the project. So he will do what is the coding related. He done all architecture and coding part. So developer team will do all development phases. Then next one is, who is the next person after development? Mostly
Testing.
test, testing phase. Tester will do testing, unit testing, black box testing, what are the testing, they will do the test. Once the code is fine, it will go to the package. And means code will be assembled and make it as a one package for ready to deploy. Okay. So, and once package is made, what they will do, they will put it in their own test environment, like a alpha testing type. So make it the package can be installed in the environment. So the client based environment is the package is working. So all phases are working, like final test completed and deployed to the customer. So here we'll do a test deployment environment, and finally we deliver to the customer, deploy to the customer environment. Any issues occur, so customer got some error, what they will do it, now it is DevOps. Okay, they will try to contact again, need some information, right? So they will contact, the team will be there for supporting. So in this particular issue, how to deal with that issue. Okay, so at customer side, issues occur. So what is the issue? Okay, and then this team will understand what is an issue. If they know how to resolve an issue, they will tell, do like this, then issue will be resolved. Otherwise, they will forward again. Which team is responsible for that one? Developer, then developer to tester, like that. So this is just for example I am telling. Okay, so every person is involved in the organization. There is a supporting team for delivering packages, delivering services, supporting customer services, analyzing. So every word what we are going to learn in the service days, in whatever the phase you are belongs to. I'm not telling you are belongs to service desk phase only now, but maybe you involve in organization in different cases. You can ask a 10 years experience person in a development, a 20 years experience in development. They also use same words only. Yesterday, I sit in my home night. My sister is in meeting. She's also having more than 10 years experience in this reporting, data analysis, data reporting related. They're also using ticket word. Okay, so it does not mean it is. So point is, lot of people when they hear the service desk, yeah, why it is service desk, it is very small job. It's not like that. The terminology is what we are going to learn here. It is always useful, not only now, in the later also. Okay, so there must be a supporting team for a customer. Okay, so any issue is there directly, client cannot go to report to the developer, right? Someone has to be understand what is an issue. Is really required to send that information to developer to change huge thing. Then they will do it. Otherwise, they will support. This is one part. Okay. For example, there is a client. So now the client need a infrastructure. For example, he need a server, a website. Think like this, he need a website. So I'm maintaining website in my organization. Client accessing, he put his hosting files, configuring his website kind of stuff. But we are running that website in our server. Okay. I think is it out of mind? It's okay. I will try, guys. If you can able to get it, good. Otherwise, it's not even a big bother. So try these words only. Okay, try to imagine. I have a server, and this server running a website which is belongs to a certain client. Client cannot able to run his own website. What he will do, he will give it to another server. So I will give you an example. You know GoDaddy, GoDaddy,
Yes, sir.
Big Rocks. Okay, GoDaddy, Big Rocks. What they will do, they're also selling a domain like a third party, and also they will do hosting. Okay, domain is just a simple .com kind of stuff, but there is a website, right? Website contains a data. Data should be placed in the server. So they are providing hosting services, Linux hosting, Windows hosting, website builder support, WordPress support, CMS hosting, okay, e-commerce hosting. They are doing all these kind of services, and they will charge per hosting. It is for start 69 rupees per month, and this is their providing 200 GB SSD disk space here they are giving, 100 GB transfer rate, 5 email IDs you are getting, unlimited database, free Let's Encrypted SSL means HTTPS site, you can get it. You take in for 5 years, you'll get a 65% off. That's why you got 69 rupees. Okay. India or US kind of stuff. Traffic from India, the cost increased. From US, cost reduced. Why? We don't know. Okay, whatever it is, hosting cost, it is unlimited SSD means no limitation, unlimited space you will get it. So you pay like this amount, like this. Okay, what are their support? The base application support, tool support, mail support, customer support. Okay, as will be customer support available over phone, chat, email. Okay, so simple to understand. This is, for example, big rocks or maybe a GoDaddy or my Savantis website, even earlier Vedic Savantis that maintain this kind of servers. Okay, I'm maintaining a server. I have a server. So in the server, the client's website is running. Someone has to maintain this server, right? I have a server means in my organization, some person has to maintain a server. Who will maintain the server? System administrator. Who will maintain? System administrator. Okay. Now, I have a lot of servers like this. I have a lot of servers like this. I have unnecessarily written here. No problem. No problem. Remove this. We have a servers there. Next. So I have a servers and the storage devices. We need a storage space is required. Networking components like a router, switches kind of stuff is required. Okay. Storage to store data. Okay. Different type of servers, storages, routers kind of stuff. Okay. So we have to maintain. So servers maintained by system administrator or system engineer. This a network is maintained by network engineer or network administrator person is there. Okay, like this, different maintenance, creating, architecting, managing. We need a firewall for external access. We need a firewall, right? So security is required. If anybody can able to infiltrate our network, cyber security person is required. Okay, to in organization, so firewall is maintained by network security, CCNA security, firewall security person is there. IPS, IDS maintenance, point servers maintained by cyber security person. System administrators, network administrators. Okay, like this, different teams are there. Okay. For example, I'm going with a very basic again. So client unable to access the service. So service is not available. Is trying to access the web server to upload some document or some change of some document or a web related kind of stuff. Is unable to access. Is getting error. To whom do we have to ask? She will raise a complaint. There is a department, so the space is not there. Okay, now follow. Okay, here is for a customer related. He will contact a department called service desk. In that one, he will tell I am unable to access my server. I am getting this kind of error. Okay, it is telling this some error like a SSL not certificate. A remote server is unavailable. Okay, like that, if some error I am getting. Okay, in this team, all these people, this will be information will decide it from here. Who is the person is going to be handle this kind of situation? Either I will handle. I am the person who is working in a service desk analyst. I got this issue. I notify this issue. Okay, I am the person who is actually handling that issue. Then I will handle it. Okay, that is one. So the guys, it's small confusion always it will be there. Customer send a request through different medias, direct call or maybe it is through email or through software, service desk, self-help software is also there. Okay, so they will try to contact a service desk. Okay, in this service desk manager is there. This service desk manager can be a software or can be a person. What he will do, he will allocate these tickets to the respective teams, allocate that information or a divert or escalate information so to the people. So, for example, it is a system related issue. Then it is allocated to the team, system administrator team. Okay, so he's also a service desk analyst. Or it is a network related. User cannot able to access. Server is not a server issue. It is maybe a network issue. Maybe firewall is blocking that one, or maybe network wise some changes occurs. It is blocking like that. Okay, so it may be network related issue. So network related service desk analyst, network related, security related, application related, or a database related, storage related. So different teams, different members working in the organization. Okay. Normally we think a service desk analyst is a different role. So depends upon his experience and technical knowledge, and is as a junior service desk analyst, like he works under a project. So based on the client, based on the service provider, TSA, Microsoft certified administrations. Okay. So,
Sir, your voice is not clear.
NCI engineer. My voice is not clear.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you able to hear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, okay. It's automatically went to mute option. Okay, so I am a Microsoft guy. Windows servers I am maintaining. Or a Linux guy. I am maintaining Linux administration. I learn Linux.
So your
Maybe
voice,
I learn CC and we main
So your voice is
again.
cracking, sir.
so your voice is breaking.
Okay. Now can you able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you repeat system related?
Screen is visible,
issue?
right? Yeah, I will tell this. My technology, I learned Microsoft Windows servers technology. All Windows Server technology, 2016, 2019, 2022. So I'm a system administrator. So I will manage Windows. Okay. There is a networking team. So network team means they have a knowledge in the CCNA, CCNP kind of stuff. Okay. So it's about what technology you know it. Okay. Maybe a storage person is there, like he know the SAN storage, SAN, SAN storage, NAS, network attached storage, so, storage area network, SAN and NAS kind of person is there, RAID maintenance. So storage related technologies you learn, IBM, Tivoli, NetApp. These are the technologies for storage. Okay. CCNA, CCNP, networking related, Linux administration, Red Hat Enterprise Linux, RHCSA, RSCE, okay, Windows CSAMC, C, okay. Security, CCS, CISSP, something is there, that is a security related experience in the IT field. Okay, depends upon the service provider and the project what there are current project they have to work on it. Okay, guys. So point is, what is the service provider? Provide a service, client access the service. Okay. So yeah, one point I'm missing. What is that? I have a servers, storage devices, networking components are there. Are like that. So many are there. So I have to monitor. One more person is there. We should not forget this is a very important person. Who is that? Monitoring person. He monitor how this, how my infrastructure is going on, how my servers are alive, any issue is there, okay, any alarms are there. So maybe in future it may be give you a problem. Like that, I will monitor this thing. Any prediction is there, maybe it is disk is full, maybe in next 2 days it will be completely full, we will get a problem. So we'll take that events and we analyze and we'll do certain preventive actions. So then issue won't occur. So is another important person is called a knock engineer. That's called NOC. Knock engineer. They monitor the infrastructure. They monitor network and servers, storage devices, everything they will monitor. So they will get in information. Any particular peak point threshold is occur, like a system utilization is very high, or maybe storage utilization is become very rapidly increasing. Okay, more traffic is increased. So how to reduce it? How to alternate it? Okay, how to not to get any impact on the service? So they will do that analysis. Event management people, monitoring people are there. What is that message? Voice is okay. Still voice problem is there, guys? Can you able to hear? Or maybe it is
Yes,
went
sir.
to mute
While you
again.
were saying this, the voice was also fainting, sir.
Okay. So, okay, that is enough for this part. So point is, guys, different teams, different technologies. So working on the infrastructure, service providing, supporting to the customers. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to say. One second. There's few lines. I try to get it. Uh, last time, last two batches, I explained with the Office 365 for a customer and client related kind of stuff. Now I will tell in a different manner. Okay, so we'll put this thing here. Guys, I will draw this one again for you separately here in this one. Why voice is breaking? I don't understand. an organization. This is another organization. Think like this. This is some other organization. Either it is, we can call this person or an organization as a customer or a client, right? Client or a user, different words are there. And who is this? Is a service provider. Service provider means it is a some IT company. For example, I use my word only, so why should I take anyone's? Latif Tech Solutions. Okay, I am the service provider. What service provider will do? Provide a service to the customers. They will provide a service to the customer. It can be infrastructure related services, or it can be cloud related services. Okay, it can be just website hosting related services. Maybe it is internet related services, application development related services. Okay, it is I am providing a service to the customer. So when I am providing a service, I'll give an agreement. So that is called a SLA, service level agreement. Guys, are you able to hear? Voice is clear at least now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Service level agreement. What is a service level agreement? So I am providing this kind of services to you. I am providing this kind of services to the customer. Any issue is occur, it will be resolved in this particular period of time. Based on the issue, we are providing this issue will be resolved in the particular time of time. Every regular interval of time we will do pre-checking before issues occurs. Okay, every 1 month we'll go for a maintenance and we'll verify any issues are there. So maintenance is good, issues won't occurs, right? Or maybe any issues occur, our team will be support always 24/7 support is available. Within a 1 hour, any critical issues within a 1 hour issue will be resolved. 99.99% service is available. Like that, we will give an agreement. So that is SLA, service level agreement, which is in between service provider and the customer. Okay. Now the point is, try to understand, guys, slowly, one by one point only I am telling and repeatedly I am telling. So that's why for each repetition there is a change. So that's okay. Carefully. So this customer or a client got some issue with my service. Okay. What he will do it? He'll try to contact the service providers and he will reach the service desk. He will reach the service desk. He may have a issue with the service. Maybe he need a information or a query or change of services. Okay, maybe it is service related query. Maybe he needs some information and maybe he needs some change of service. Some change is required. And maybe he got some issue with my service. Okay, he will approach to the service desk. What is this service desk person will do it? Take the information from the customer, take the information from the customer. What is who is the customer? Who is the person? From which organization? From which organization? What is the type of issue it is? Is it server related, network related? Is it general query? Is it change related? Okay. So what kind of request it is? What kind of incident report it is? Okay. So So he will gather the information and he will create a ticket. He will create a ticket. There is a team, okay, working in a different technologies. That's what we discussed before. Different technologies, server related, network related, like that. Okay, depends upon the customer requirement or a report of issue. The ticket will be assigned to that particular team. There are also service desk analyst people only. Okay, so this will be issued to different teams. So this person, based on the issue, he will analyze the ticket. He analyze the ticket, okay, and either he will try to resolve from his place, or certain issues required to go to customer premises. Certain issues can be resolved from their end only. So whatsoever it is, once the issue is resolved, the ticket will be closed. Ticket will be closed. Okay, so this is what will happen at an organization. What it is again, as a customer or a client or a user need a change of service or information or access permissions, or maybe any issue is there, they will approach to the service desk. The service desk will take information and about a customer, and from which place, the location of the customer, organization belongs to the customer, issue, type of issue, and what kind of the relevant information, screenshots kind of information. Okay, categorize the customer issues, prioritize the customer issues. They will mention in this ticket only. Okay, this is assigned to either the person who is in this service desk, or to a specific member in the team or a specific team. Auto assignment sometimes. Okay, so the person who opened this ticket, they will try to resolve the customer issues, or maybe give according to the customers their request or information is they will provide. Once it is resolved, that close the ticket. So this is the ticket life cycle in the service desk. So same thing only I've written here. Guys, understand somewhat?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
what I said, that is I given here. Service provider provides service to the customers. Service provider service to the customers. One service or multiple services. If customer required information or a query or a report an issue, you want to report an issue, change of service, the reach service. What service desk will do it? Take information and support needs, resolved with the issues, get information or changes. Okay, then this ticket will be closed. Here I said customer. Customer. In generally, what is the meaning of customer? What is meaning of? So Google it. So I got this answer. What it is? A person who buy goods or such from a shop or a business. Okay. So it's like there is as I given, there is a two type of customers. internal customers and external customers. But I added a personally third customer called a public customer. Okay. So why I added public customer? Because people will confuse between a single user customer to a organization wise customer. Same diagram I will draw again. Guys, this is my organization. It's a Savantis organization. In my experience, I'm telling now. So, there is a service desk. Actually, earlier I worked in last year. I worked up to last year. I worked in Pune office. Now I came to Hyderabad office. I need a internet connection, right? So work in organization for my laptop, not for my mobile. For my laptop, I need a internet connectivity. Connectivity is required, but I don't know Wi-Fi password, right? And Wi-Fi is also secured Wi-Fi. Means not everyone can connect. So only they should allow with my laptop MAC address. Then only I can able to connect it. That is called MAC binding. Okay. So what I have done, I need an internet connectivity, so I approach the service desk. What is this service desk person done? He created a ticket. In the ticket, he mentioned who is this person and what is requirement. I send a request, service request. I send a service request is I need an internet connectivity. So he mentioned in the ticket, this particular user required an internet connectivity. And then the ticket will be given to a particular person, or maybe usually that service desk person only do that one. So what he done, so he given internet connectivity, so he configured username password in my PC, okay, and tested it, make it, yes, internet is connected, and ticket is closed. And who is this user? Where is the user located and where is the service desk is located? In the same organization. In the same organization. So this type of user called an internal customer. You guys understand internal customer?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Maybe there is a user is also a internal customer. He is unable to connect, or maybe he is not able to get emails. He want to send and receive a mail. The mails are unable to send. There is a issue. Then you will approach the service desk, and it is an incident ticket. Okay, I am unable to send or receive emails. Incident ticket. And this ticket, sorry, incident. He telling is not creating any ticket. It's simply informing service desk. I am not able to send or receive a mails. And service desk will create a ticket for him. Inside, either it automatically creates based on the self-service, or a person will attend what is your information from you, okay, and he will create an incident ticket. In this ticket, he will mention who is the customer, where it is located, where he is located, and what is an issue, what is the priority of issue in the ticket. And then either the service desk person or maybe it's a particular team is working on that kind of cases, it will forward to the team, and this will either from here or from here, they'll try to resolve your issue. They'll try to resolve your issues. Okay. So in both the cases, customer is internal customer because these users are working in the same organization as a service desk located. Okay. Good. Next one is external customer. Means, for example, this is my organization. This is some other organization, ABC, right? Certain service, web service, cloud service. For example, from 70s, we are giving a SAP basis and AWS services. Okay, so like that, we providing a service to the customer. He got some issue. Is the person who is working in this organization? He got certain issues. What he will do? Approach a service desk. Maybe team is different. Concept is service desk. Okay. So approach the service desk. Then ticket will be created, and this ticket, so based on the issue, means who is the customer, what organization it from he is, and what location, what is the kind of issue, what is the priority of the issue. So he will create a ticket. Ticket will be created. It is assigned to that particular team what kind of service this customer is using, and what their project, that is called project. Okay, the team, the working on this particular technology, the team is there. The person who is try to interact with the customer will try to interact with the customer and give some solutions, or try to resolve from his end, or maybe send a person to that place. The issue is resolved, and then close the ticket. Once issue is resolved, take a survey and close the ticket. Okay, so this type of customer is a external customer. External customer. So external customer. Group of customers are basically two types. Internal customer, guys, means different organizations. You take Airtel or ACT or Geo. Okay, HCL. HCL don't give. I think there is public customers relationship with HCL. All are external customers only, not public customers. I'm an individual person. I'm utilizing internet service from an organization, or maybe I'm purchased one application from an organization. I'm using Lenovo laptop. I'm using a Windows operating system. Now, for example, from this organization, I'm getting some service, like maybe it is internet related service, maybe web hosting services. Here it is, web hosting for individual users as well as a organization also, they will do web hosting, right? So think like this. It's a web hosting organization. So they'll give a service. They can give a service to individual people, and also they can give service to the organization. Think like this. It is an individual user. Is not under it. Take a service as an individual user only, not as an organization. He got some issue. Approach service desk. Okay. To approach the service desk, different means are there, guys. So whatever it is, first I will tell that point also. So you approach the service desk, what they will do it, whatever that comes to the service desk, it is a ticket. Any issue you are reporting, that is a ticket. The ticket will be contains information about a user or a customer or a client, whatever the name it is. Okay, you put their information about a customer issues, mention there about the priorities of issues. Either they will resolve based on their team, or maybe a specific team, it will be forwarded So they will try to approach the customer either physically or from issue can be resolved from here or by approaching to the customer premises. But issue should be resolved. Once issue is resolved, close it gate. This is, I put a name called a public customer. This external customer, not definitely internal customer, is a external customer, but public type means any individual. Means any individual. This is not any individual, it is under organization. Simple guys. I am using this Google Docs as an individual user with my Gmail account only. I am using this one. Okay, as an individual user, I have to deal if I got any problem with this Google Docs. My personally have to deal with the Google services. Okay, I am the external customer, public. Guys, got the point?
Yes, sir.
If you see
Yes,
here
sir.
it is, this is Office 365 service from Microsoft 365. I got this Office 365 from Savantis organization. I'm the person who I got a Office 365 service from Microsoft, not as an individual user, from Savantis. Savantis, again I will tell you. So this is Savantis. I am working in Savantis. So I got this Microsoft 365 because of the Savantis taken a service from Microsoft. I am getting Office 365 because of Savantis taken a service from Microsoft Office 365. Okay, so I am a external customer and I am dealing with the organization wise. So my organization to that organization. Same Office 365 I can utilize as an individual user, then it is different. Okay, this is different type of approach. This is different type of approach. That's the difference, guys. Customer care, IT support does not mean always is a public customer kind of stuff. So most of it is external customers, means it is an organization. It can be IT organization or non-IT organization. We are providing a certain service to the customer, to an organization. Okay, so we need to give us support. Any issues are occur, any inquiries are there, any changes are required, so we can do from our organization. Okay, internal customer, external customer, public customer. Guys, got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I kept all things into one block. Actually, it is a 3 pictures. So if you go to this, okay, 3 pictures are there: internal customer, external customers, okay, external public customer kind of stuff. In the PPT, I individually written things. I will forward another PPT also there. Okay, so that one also. But in this one, separately service desk I separated for an internal customer, external customer, public customer, or kind of stuff. This is only for recollecting memory purpose only, guys. Really can't do anything with that. Okay. Two more things are there. One is about a ticket, another one is about service desk. Okay. Same only, so no changes in it. Either I should get two lines, one more line. Yeah, that is enough. What is this ticket? What is the ticket? I will show you some example tickets how it is look like. BMC Helix ITSM. Okay, I showed how to. I have one video how to go to BMC Helix ITSM. So that a link also I will share it. So
Sir, voice is not coming.
The voice is breaking.
again, why today is voice breaking? Okay. One side it is okay, 90 to 91%. Another side is also okay. Internet is good. Mic, I never touch the mic. Mic is also good. So can you able to hear clearly?
Yes,
But
sir.
just
Yes,
not.
sir. Now it's clear, sir.
Okay, good. So this is different tickets occurs at BMC Helix. So why should I go to like that? So directly we'll open the link. Okay. So guys, this is one demo I have taken for a batch. So compulsory go to this demo. If required, I will try to show the demo. Important is I just explained in this demo how to create a ticket and very importantly, how to log into this demo version. Okay, how to log into this demo version and how to create a ticket. Okay, so this is a login to a demo version. In this video, you can find a description also. Okay, if you want to search also service desk BMC Helix ITSM demo. Okay, I will share the link. I already shared the link. See, these are the currently occurred tickets. You can see the tickets, what tickets it is occurred. Now you can able to see. Software service is slow. Increase DB server process power SLA alert it is. Increase or change process from standard D1 B2 provide a better performance. Okay. WordPress is slow. Payroll applications scheduled patch like this. These are the tickets are occurred. And it is showing the current status. On-time completions, resolution accepted, first call resolution like that it is status of your organization. Okay, lot of options are there. We are going to create new and that one we are going to create a new ticket. So here I open existing ticket, okay, occurred ticket means already ticket is generated, then I'm looking at that one. It is a change request. You can see change request and this is a request ID. Risk level 2, medium, class is normal. Okay. And requested for this particular person, application management person. His contact details. Okay, affected services, WordPress change, cloud, upgrade, change resolution is upgrade. best solution performance issue can be implemented quickly. And this is the location. And this is the history activity note. Activity note. You can see request for change by system generated status maintenance. What are the added a note like this? This is a activity note. So in a ticket, this is the information about your issue or a request, their IDs, levels like means impact and other things, categories, okay, categories, who is requested or who raised an issue, okay, who is going to be handled, and user note and service desk person note or a technician note. It is there. So here I am creating a new ticket. So this is create a new incident ticket I am creating. Okay, who is the customer, which company, their contact details, incident templates. So depends upon our organization. So organization will create a different templates. If I want to create this ticket, so I will try to browse the incident templates. Summary, what is the incident? I have to mention here. Impact, what is the severity of that incident? Okay, so multiple people are get affected, multiple services get affected. Okay, multiple users got affected, or multiple services got affected. Based on that, I will put an impact and urgency. What is the ticket? Ticket is new ticket, open ticket, closed ticket, or pending ticket. That is a ticket status. Description about it, any attachment, assignment. So here, to whom you have to assign. Okay, this is status, assigned ticket, in progress, pending, and that stuff. So impact, like this. So here I try to explain what is the ticket. Okay, so and how to create a ticket, what are the things in the ticket. I try to explain this. Okay, already I given to your WhatsApp, so please try this one. Two more videos are there, guys. That is, we have taken a demo session with the fresh services, Freshworks. Now change it to Freshworks. This is BMC Helix. Okay. So what is this ticket? So I showed this one. So to explain what is the ticket. All service desk events start with a ticket. To know what happened, what is the customer requirement, what is the customer issue, okay, or any in infrastructure any issue is occurred, or any event is generated, or any alert is generated. So then we have to go and fix it, or maybe have to do some preventive action, so then issue cannot be occur. How a technical team will know it, how service desk person will know what is the thing we have to do it. It is from ticket on. Any changes required, we have to mention the ticket. Okay. Any issues occur, we have to mention the ticket. Any pre-request, things you have to do it before any issues occur, you have to mention the ticket. You have to create a ticket. A ticket is a historical document that details a service event, such as an incident or a problem or a service request. Okay, so ticket has a details about what is the service event is occur. It can be an issue, means incident, or a problem. It can be request, service request, or maybe it's required change. Tickets govern and control how a service event is proceeded. Tickets govern and control how a service event is proceeded. How to proceed with this particular ticket issue. There are used to route events between different resources for a resolution. There are used to route events between different sources for resolution. It means not only me, there is a several other members also should be involved in certain different levels. They have to involve. They have to pass. For example, customer required a change of services. For example, I am the customer. I want a 50 Mbps to 100 Mbps internet speed. Solely one service desk person cannot do it, right? So I understand what is customer requirement, what are the dependency changes, what are the bill changes, dependency like a cable changes, router changes. Okay, so different people should be involved in it. They approve the changes. Okay, they test the changes, feasibilities, cost. Okay, so it's not like not solely sometimes what happen. It may require different resources for a resolution. They records all relevant information about a request, including user notes. Okay, what is the customer saying, that is will be there. What is technician notes? What can able to do, like technician what he is understand from the issue, it notes. Workflow information for how ticket has handled, how to handle this ticket. Who is the person? Who is the next person has to handle? Who is required to need an approval from the particular team to proceed with the next solution. Okay, it may be one solution or maybe dependency solutions. Ticket resolution details, so is resolved, not resolved, how it is resolved, that kind of issue things. Other critical process information. Okay, so this is what ticket contains. Tickets can document a single event or a single request. Okay, what is incident, guys? Remember, incident means issue. Request means a request. Like I want a VPN access. I want a email access. I want internet access. I want to increase my RAM. It's all request only. I want request. I'm non-IT person. I don't know how to install particular application. I want to get installed with this application. That is also a request. Okay. Incident is like this. Request and incident, I will tell guys. I want a VPN connectivity service request. My VPN is not working, not connecting. Incident. I want internet connectivity request. My internet is not working. Incident. Okay, so indicate it can be a single incident or a single request, and it can be also group of incident as a single problem. Okay, multiple incidents are occurred, so you combine all these incidents, single incident, and group it together and make it as a single problem. Guys, problems never occur generally directly. So incidents are converted into problems. The ticket is backbone of service desk. So what is happened? Who is the customer? What is his request? What is the issue you got it? What is the procedure we have followed? And what is when it is solved? When it is occurred? When it is solved? That is very important details. When it is occurred? When it is you open the ticket? And when it is resolved? That is important. In one day, some people can resolve 10 tickets, some people do 20 tickets, some people do 2 tickets. Depends upon the issue, depends upon the person. Okay, depends upon other factors also. You have to include all these things into the ticket. Okay, that's the point. It is used for every single service item that hits the service desk. Okay, important is whatever the things come to the service desk, ticket will be created. Okay, you want to read about this ticket, incidents, columns. Not only you want to read about, compulsory go through these documents. Guys, several resources to know information. This terminology is always useful, whatever the position you are going to take it. Okay. So about a ticket, this is about a ticket. That is only I copied. But this is about incident. Of course, next I will tell about incident. This is about a problem. This is about a service request. And these are a certain short-term tips kind of stuff. Okay. So this is a one more link. So take it and read it. Guys, from day one onwards, you must read it. If you think the last day, next tomorrow is an interview, today I will start, nothing will happen. So you don't remember anything. Okay. So not only for interview, guys, you have to keep doing, then only you will understand. Not in one single shot, you will understand, nothing will happen. Even I cannot understand. Okay. I've taken directly ITL e-learning course. Okay, even I don't get it completely. Next time I want to teach, I cannot able to teach. I keep teaching for so many days, but I will understand somewhat. Even we sit with the service desk people and we ask some questions and we got to understand, we got stabilized into our mind. Okay, so compulsory read what are a setting. Guys, in tickets, there is a three type of tickets: incident ticket, service request ticket, alert ticket. Already I told incident. Okay, any issue is occur, any unplanned interruption is occur, it is an incident. Unplanned interruption is occur to the IT services or user, that is called a incident. Service request usually a request for a change or request for accessing a service kind of stuff comes under service request. Alert, as I said earlier, we monitor infrastructure. Well, you are monitoring infrastructure, right? One server is down, you receive an alert. There is an alert system is there. It's kind of notification. This alert sent to the service desk software is there. Okay, help desk or service desk software are there, like BMC Helix kind of stuff. So automatically it will create a ticket. Okay, alert tickets. Any outrage is happened or any warning is generated, immediately it will create a ticket from alerting system. That is called a alert. So mainly depends upon organization, but as I know, three main tickets: incident ticket, service request ticket, and alert ticket. In this incident tickets and alert tickets, there is a priority level of ticket is there. Certain tickets you have to resolve immediately, means within 15 minutes to 1 hour you have to resolve it. Some tickets you get a 4 hours time, so you can resolve it later. Some tickets you will get a 1 day, some tickets you will get a 2 days of time. So here it is, the priority levels mentioned in a 1, 2, 3, 4 or P1, P2, P3, P4 depends upon organization, depends upon what software they are using. Okay, so in generally I'm telling this: P1, P2, P3, P4. P4 is a lower priority. Okay, one user is unable to access network in my organization. Lower priority, I will take tomorrow. You want some application not opening, I will take later, not tomorrow, just after 3-4 hours I will try. Low priority. Medium priority. Internet is not working. Suddenly internet is not working. Only for a one customer, two customers. Medium priorities. High priority. Service is down. Multiple customers got affected. High priority. Very high priority means application is not loading or a service is completely down. So high priority. So high priority, very high priority, urgent, critical priorities are there. So as I said, guys, I will give you two more links are there. The links are given here, not given. I will give you two more links. Go to any one of the link first. So you can get what is P1, P2, P3. Good explanation is there from real-time service desk analyst person and almost like a very experienced infrastructure management related experienced person. Both are given a demo. So two demos are there. Currently we have. Both are unlisted in YouTube. We can't find in YouTube. So I will share the link. Do not share the link to anyone. Compulsory watch it today. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Last, that's oh, I continuously teaching. I will tell this one and this one. And then we'll take a test. Tomorrow I will tell about event, alert, incident, column, request, and other information. But for today, I will tell what is the service desk, and if possible, I will tell about how to reach the service desk. This is good. I can put it, but it has become half of. Ticket also you can down, then it is. Yeah, we have a space here. So what I will do first. Now we have this one. Go to studio. This is one link, guys. Already I mentioned there, and I forwarded it to you. Okay. Service desk demo. Okay, these both are unlisted, means directly it is not available in this one. So compulsory, don't try to share to anyone. Okay, so it's because of organization names, service information is there. Don't share to. This is Sai processor and Manvit. So the person is also supporting both AWS and SAP basis. So these two are there. I'm also sending through your WhatsApp. Compulsory go through all these things, guys, today, because today you have a time. I think today also maybe your soft skills class is not started, right? If it is started, so you don't get a time much. Okay, so half day you have to spend with that one only. Okay, now you got a time, so compulsory. Whether you are whatever it is happen next, I don't mind. I don't. So simple it is. These terminologies are very useful. What are the position you are going? What are the project you are dealing? All these terminologies are very useful. Okay. So now these guys are also not available. Okay, some are doing night duties and some are left. Okay, so these people are not available now. So we can't get it this again. Maybe may not be. Okay, guys, this is what is a service desk. Till now, I didn't told about what is service desk. I told everything about a IT organization, IT service provider, about a ticket and customer. Okay, and type of tickets we have discussed, but we didn't discuss about what is service desk and what is the service desk will do it. What is service desk analyst will do it. We didn't discuss, right? What is a service desk? Service desk is intended to provide a single point of contact to meet the communication needs of both users and IT employees. To meet needs of both IT, SPOC, simple terminology, SPOC. What is SPOC? Single point of contact. Single point of contact. Single point of contact between customers, users or clients to the IT employees. Okay, service desk can be a person, means service desk analyst. This can be a person, or it can be a service desk, can be a simple software also. Okay, but it act in between this users or customers or clients to the IT employees, means those people who are going to support the customers. What is the purpose of this service desk and what is the use of this service desk is user to support customers. It provide a initial support to the customers, understand customer issues and customer requirements, provide information to the customer, escalating the issues to one level to another level of support level. Okay, ticket management, creating a ticket, raise the ticket, monitor the ticket, close the ticket, doing surveys kind of stuff. Satisfy both customer needs and IT service provider objective. What is IT provider objectives? Provide a service to the customers and make sure customer should get a service. Make sure customer issues should be handled. That is a IT provider objective. Okay. So simple example I will tell guys. You know old style Nokia mobile phone, Nokia featured phones. Old style, so Nokia feature phone is there. These are new mobile phones, but old time we have a Nokia feature phones. Okay, so that time Samsung is there, Motorola is also there. Some one or two China company also, one or two only. That much China company is not there that time. Okay. Later only China companies also. So this is so 3310, 1100. You know that has become more famous. It's a sudden famous mobile phone, 1100 mobile. Okay. People, you want to buy a mobile, and you ask anyone, so which mobile I want to buy? Okay. They will tell simply 1100. You can buy any mobile. It is 1600, 2600. So different mobile phones. 1600, 2600. You know why people are preferring Nokia mobiles? Anyone? Any idea?
Durability.
Because it became a brand,
It is
trusted brand, sir.
very,
Durability and user friendly.
very good. Durability, user friendly, longer battery life. Again, it is fall down from your hand, it not much damage. Okay,
Good
it
build quality,
means
sir.
build quality. Okay, so different qualities of a that mobile phones. One more very important is Nokia start giving service support everywhere. Everywhere means even a small town, weekly once they will come and do the Nokia service. Not only Nokia official service, guys, roadside service people are there, mobile phone repairing people. Normal repairing people also can able to repair Nokia phone. You take Motorola or you take Samsung mobile, they may not able to repair. But Nokia, they can able to repair all spare parts. Equivalents are available, so they will do it and make it run. Batteries also we can replace, even a costly, little costly, but still we can able to get a battery kind of stuff also. Okay, chargers, a lot of chargers are a type of chargers, like a small pin and a big pin chargers are there. The chargers also available, not only Nokia official chargers, any other chargers also you can able to do it. In the point of customers, not only a durability, battery backup, good signal recipient, also service is available. Okay, when I purchase a Lenovo model a smartphone, only my office people keep asking, is there a providing service or not? Okay, so it's a China phone. They don't provide a service. Lenovo is a brand. Motorola is a brand. Motorola both are same under one umbrella only. Okay, currently, that time mainly. Even next after Lenovo, I purchased a Motorola. So same question. Everybody is there are providing a service warranty or not? Warranty is there, but they are providing a service. Service centers are available. Okay. So point is, how much quality of a product it is. Important is what customer is expecting after services support. What customer is expecting support. So that's the point I'm trying to say, guys. So I told just an example. Any organization, for example, I want to build a cloud service, or maybe I want to go with the Salesforce or maybe SAP services. So am I getting any product service? Product support is messy, then I will take it. Why open sources are become more crazy, but still open sources are not preferable. Open source Linux kind of stuff, they don't provide any support. Product support they don't give. They will give you operating system or applications freely. Source code they will give you freely, but they don't give any support. Okay, but with Microsoft, you pay for a license, compulsory they should provide a service. Any issues are there, they need to resolve issue. Of course, we don't getting, but even with certain money, at least we should get a service. Okay, so point is that different terminologies we use at service desk, like event, alert, incident, problem, change of services, service request. Monitoring our infrastructures, service monitoring, infrastructure monitoring. Okay, these are all very important points. Managing SLA, OLA, UC kind of stuff is. The person is working at service desk is called as service desk analyst. The basic point is basically means service desk analyst depends upon technology, different type of duties he will do it, different type of supports he will do it. Okay, the basic level we can say provide a technical support to the customers and employees in the organization. Okay, in some companies you handle technology duties such as software installation, troubleshooting, maintenance of computer health. Just for example, okay, you respond to phone calls, emails, live chats, and other communication. So you communicate with the customers either with the phone calls or maybe email related support or a live chat support or a application based support is there. I given a link here. Actually, I want to give link this tomorrow, but this is top 25 help desk related questions from Guru 99. Okay, that link is also there, and other links I will try to share you tomorrow. Now only I given 3 duties. One is today notes. Second one is BMC Helix demo. Either N16 or N12, any one. First pick up one. Okay. So this one more link. So how much you can complete, try it. And also I will put all these links into your Google Classroom by evening or I'll try. Okay. How to reach service desk? I will tell this one and we'll wind up for today. Okay. So because I have taken a very lengthy class, lot of people are already out of mind. Okay. Okay. So how to reach service desk? Okay. How service desk get information? Customer may reach service desk directly, means internal customers, external customers, to whom whatever it is. Some places it's direct reaching by telephone, mobile, voice over IP, like a call kind of stuff. Email approach is there. Through email, you can do support. Some applications, so support related applications, so client side, server side, a kind of applications, websites. For example, Amazon application is there now. From application only, there is a support system is there. You click it and tell something, so you'll get information. Self-help portals. This is very helpful, guys. You go to your organization portal, so there is a help desk kind of stuff. I'll try to show one example as my previous one is expired. Okay, so this is okay like this. You can see help desk. It's a self-help portal. So I got an issue. Have to tell what kind of issue it is. Okay, it is a self-help portal. It is. Give the information, submit. The service desk people will get that information. They will try to resolve the issue, or maybe they will try to contact. Okay, service desk software. By using a certain software, through software we can able to get it. Like these self-help portals also one part of this service desk softwares. BMC Helix, ServiceNow, GLPA, Zoho. Not only that one, there is so many services software, like including Jira also there. Okay. From monitoring tools also, you will get to know any issues occur, like event monitoring, alert monitoring, alerting system, service ticket, alert ticket is there. From that one, you will receive warnings. I said now already, service desk manager handle ticket management. He will issues or raises or send ticket to the service desk analyst, or we can say a technical person or a technical team. So then they will issued with the tickets. Okay, this service desk manager can be a person or maybe a software like this. Okay, so this is the point, guys. Again, what is a service desk? This is important. Single point of contact is a in between, exactly say between customers or user or a client to the IT team, IT employees. These are going to resolve the user issues. These are all going to. Not only there is a different kind of things are there. Okay. So each case different, guys. Each case is different cases. So this is about your service desk. So that's it for today. Tomorrow we are going to discuss first about this event, alert, incident, problem, and service request. These things we will going to discuss first tomorrow. Then some more information is there. But what you have to do is already I told what it is. read whatever we discussed today and watch and go through the links I shared and watch the videos, the links what I shared. Okay, that's why I'm giving
Okay, sir. Thank you,
more.
sir.
I'm not feeding more. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
compulsory try today, guys. If you think you will do it in a last day, nothing will happen. Nothing. Okay. So gather, write a notes when you're watching these specifically while watching these demo videos. Write a notes. Okay. Okay. That's it for today. Any doubts?
Oh, no, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. No,